In this video, I will be talking about cellular respiration and photosynthesis. But first you need to know what cellular respiration is and what it does, along with photosynthesis, and then we can discuss how they are related. The simple answer is that cellular respiration is a series of metabolic processes that take place within a cell. Biochemical energy is then harvested from a substance like glucose or sugar and is stored in energy-carrying biomolecules called ATPs for use in energy-requiring activities within the cell. Cellular respiration works with or without oxygen, but the process is called cellular respiration when a cell seems to respire oxygen and then release carbon dioxide. This process is aerobic, but processes can be anaerobic if the final electron acceptor is not oxygen. Cellular respiration is considered to be catabolic. So if you look at my diagram here, you will notice that the first stage of aerobic respiration is glycolysis, where the glucose molecules are broken down to create ATP in a cell's cytoplasm. Although the process consumes 2 ATP molecules, it produces 4 more as well as 2 other substances, pyruvate and NADH. Then in the second stage will occur in the mitochondria of the cell. Pyruvate is used to create acetyl coenzyme A and carbon dioxide. The third stage is known as the citric acid cycle, or the Krebs cycle. In this stage, acetyl coenzyme A is used to create more NADH as well as FADH2, carbon dioxide, and an additional ATP molecule. Then, in the final stage, NADH, FADH2, and oxygen are used to create massive amounts of ATP through electron transfer. This stage also creates water molecules. So at the bottom, you'll see glucose plus oxygen turns into carbon dioxide plus water plus 30 or more ATP. You'll see that that was for aerobic exercise, aerobic respiration. And then you'll see for anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration, you'll see there is no oxygen present. ATP is created through other chemical processes that do not require oxygen. However, these processes do not produce as much ATP as aerobic respiration. So you have glucose and lactate plus 2 ATP. So you'll see you have formation. Oops, my apologies. Don't know how to go back. I have a touch screen. Oh no. Did I do that? I don't know what I did. I think I exited out of it. My bad. Well, we'll just move on. All right, so moving on to photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is the process in which green plants and other organisms use sunlight to create foods from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis from plants usually involve chlorophyll and generate oxygen as a byproduct. Photosynthesis is considered anabolic. So in this photo here, you'll see that you have your minerals in the soil and your water, and then you have your sun and your light energy, which makes your glucose and your carbon dioxide, which turns into oxygen, releasing your heat energy. Both cellular respiration and photosynthesis have reactants. The reactants of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water. The reactants of cellular respiration are glucose and oxygen. And photosynthesis and cellular respiration are both similar and different. Photosynthesis removes carbon dioxide from the air, while cellular respiration puts it back. However, photosynthesis requires energy and creates food, while cellular respiration breaks down food and releases energy. And that is my presentation on photosynthesis and cellular respiration.